Hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educate. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and maths videos are available. Okay. In this video, we will move to discuss about divisible rules by 6, divisible by 7. Which numbers are divisible by 6? Which numbers are divisible by 7 easily? How can we identify easily? Okay, in this video we will move to discuss about that one. First, consider divisible by 6. If any number is divisible by 6, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, which number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. Okay, consider an example. 48, 24, 108 is there. See, consider these three numbers. 48 is also divisible by 2 because in unit place given number is there, and also it is divided by 3. Okay, 4 plus 8 is 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. It is divisible by 3. So 48 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. That type we consider 24 is also divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. Consider this one. Now 108 is there. It is also divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3. So these all our number is divisible by 6. This type we easily identify which any number is divisible by 6 or not. Got it? Okay, next consider divisible by 7. How can we identify any number is divisible by 7? Consider a number is divisible 7 when the difference between twice the digit at unit place and the number formed by the other digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. See, take an example. How can it understood easily? Take the difference between twice of unit place and formed by other numbers. Okay, take difference of other numbers are 65 minus twice of unit places 2 into 8. Simplify this one. 65 minus 8 to the 16. Differentiate these two, we get 49. This is the divisible of 7 because it is multiple of 7. Okay, in this place 0 is there, that is also divisible by 7. Okay, this type we easily understood that number is divisible by 7.